This is an overview of the DKC11.3-200-7-FW drive manufactured by Bosch Rexroth Indramat. These are among the most well-known servo drives used for either general-purpose automation or for machine tool applications. These drives are a part of the EcoDrive 03 automation system, which enables users to fluidly and effectively control a wide variety of products because of extensive integral functionalities and a highly favorable price-to-performance ratio. The most common uses for these drives are in handling systems, printing and packing operations, food processing environments, and assembly lines. This specific drive I have here in front of me is a DKC 11.3-200 drive. This drive in particular does not come with an option card, which would normally be found here. It's just a blank slate covering the option card slot. However, it does have built-in analog interface. It is paired with an encoder, which is approximately 2 inches long, about 1.5 inches wide. That can be either silver or whitish in color, and screwed down by a single screw here. This drive in particular has a 200 amperage rating, a voltage category of 7, and a firmware rating designated by either your needs or a generic factory rating. It can be used with multiple encoders, like I said, which are found here. They're either silverish or white, and they can be used for whatever application or setting you need the drive in. These drives can be powered on with 24 VDC, turning on the internal bus amperage for the fan, the internal boards, and the option card found here on the side. In this case, this doesn't have an option card, but the internal boards and the fan will still turn on. So I can turn that on now to show you. If you would like more information concerning this part, please contact us via phone or email, which can be found below in the description. Thank you.